Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's guided meditation for stress reduction using integration. Today, we will be focusing on how to integrate our experiences and emotions to reduce stress in our daily lives. Stress is a part of everyone's life, and it is important to learn how to manage it. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help us reduce stress by focusing our attention on the present moment and cultivating a sense of calm and relaxation. By integrating our experiences and emotions, we can then reduce the stress impact on our mental and physical health. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension in your body and allow yourself to fully relax. Begin by bringing your attention to your body. Notice any sensations, tension, or discomfort in your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing your body to relax with each breath. As you exhale, imagine any tension or discomfort leaving your body. Now, bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations in your toes, the sole of your feet, your heels, and your ankles. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing any tension in your feet to release. Move your attention up to your calves, noticing any sensations or tension in this area. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, allowing any tension to release. Continue to move your attention up through your body, noticing any sensation or tension in each area. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Scan your body all the way up to the top of your head. Now, bring your mind to any recent experiences or emotions that have been causing you stress. Allow yourself to fully feel these emotions without judgment or resistance. Observe them as if they were passing clouds in the sky. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a bright light shining down on you, surrounding you with warmth and love. This light is here to help you integrate your experiences and emotions, allowing you to release any stress or tension. Visualize yourself standing in front of a large puzzle. This puzzle represents your experiences and emotions. Each piece of the puzzle represents a different experience or emotion that you may have been struggling with. Begin to slowly and gently piece together the puzzle, one piece at a time. As you do this, notice how each piece fits together with the others, creating a bigger picture of your experiences and emotions. As you continue to piece together the puzzle, allow yourself to fully integrate each experience and emotion. Notice any insights or new perspectives that arise as you do this. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, feeling a sense of calm and peace wash over you. Allow yourself to fully integrate your experiences and emotions, knowing that you are capable of handling anything that comes your way. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to practice self-care and reduce stress in life. Remember that you can return to this practice whenever you need to feel calm and centered. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, feeling a sense of calm and peace in your body and mind. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to reorient yourself to your surroundings. Thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation for stress reduction using integration. I hope you found this practice helpful.